Okay. Okay. So very simple. A device is there. I want to connect a device to network. So device should have a NIC. That device should have a NIC. Okay. Any device need or required or wants to connect network, that device need NIC. Okay. Normally when we show NIC, LAN card, MAN card kind of stuff, okay, so people think NIC means it is a wide connection only. In wireless we don't require NIC. No guys, wide or wireless, okay, can connect we are able to connect so telling is very easy than sentence. Okay. um, we can connect a device to wired and wireless. Okay, we can connect device to network wire or wireless. Okay, with wire or wireless, but both need NIC. Which sentence is good for you? That sentence you can take it. Okay, again I'm going to draw. Actually drawing in this will kill the time, lot of time. Guys, this is my wired device. Think like this. This is my wired device. Control C. So for example, these two devices are there. I have a switch or a hub. Okay. So wire type of switch or a hub is there. Okay. So this is my PC. For example, a device PCA. This is PCB. Two computers. This is either a hub. Okay, we can connect. But how can we connect? It need a NIC. Okay, need a NIC. So these NICs are look a little less thicker. So I want to make it more thicker. Okay, it is a need NIC. Swiggy. Okay, so we need a NIC. NIC is through NIC you can able to connect to the source. This is wired devices. What about wireless devices? For example, you have a mobile phone or you have a laptop. Laptop both wired and wireless. Okay. Now we are using a TVs, right? A TV also we are able to connect through internet. How? Through wireless access point kind of stuff. Right? So we have an antenna, the symbolic representation from my side. Okay. Internally, they also need a NIC. Okay. They need a NIC. They need NIC to connect this wireless access point or a wireless router kind of stuff. Wireless access point or a wireless router. So they need a NIC to connect it. So NIC is a common, right? So now NIC is become more common for devices. So this is how physical NICs look like. This is we can search in Google. Anyway, we'll go into that one. So you can see this is the, if you have a desktop, so the desktop we can insert into desktop or a servers machines. Okay, you can insert this NIC card. So then you can connect through this port. So if you see this port, that is a LAN port. Putting a LAN card images. So you can see this is the different LAN cards. You can see, look at here. This is the LAN port. LAN port, Ethernet port, RJ45. Okay, LAN port, Ethernet port, RJ45 port connectivity. So this is directly insert into the motherboard. LAN card and motherboard. So it is, they will insert like this. This is white bars are there now. That white bars we call it as a PCI slots. PCI slots. PCIe. PCIe means smaller one. Okay. So these are the LAN cards, how it is inserted. RJ45 port on motherboard, directly we are getting these ports. Earlier days we have to insert the card. Now also you can insert the card, but most of the motherboards are coming with direct these onboard RJ45 sockets. Onboard RJ45 sockets, LAN ports are there. Then where is the LAN card which is built in on the motherboard only? On motherboard there is a LAN related chipset, that NIC related chipset is there directly, and this is the connectivity. Okay, next one is laptop RJ45 connector. You can see this is a laptop RJ45 connector. It is also onboard NIC. It is directly, no separate NIC card. So we can connect with the wire directly. It is a LAN card or RJ45 port. The port is RJ45 port or LAN port. Okay. And LAN card, the card what we are calling card, a LAN card or NIC we are calling. Okay. Even for a newer laptop also we are getting NIC ports are there. Okay, so this is your wired type of connectivity, and of course there is a USB based like if in case your LAN port is missing, your LAN port is not working, then you can use these additional adapters. So this is also NIC, network interface card, whatever it is, NIC. Okay, next USB Wi-Fi adapters, because your mobile phone having built-in Wi-Fi adapter is there, your laptop built-in Wi-Fi adapter is there. So to understand or make it more easy, I'm showing this one. If in case your laptop or desktop Wi-Fi adapter is not working or Wi-Fi adapter is not there, I want a wireless connectivity. So I have a desktop, then the wire connectivity is difficult because my router is in one room and my desktop is in another room. A wide type of connectivity is difficult because it's a home. In office, there is other way is there, but in our home we don't put it, right? So what I have done, so we purchase one um, Wi-Fi adapter like this, and we inserted, and we are getting network, internet, right? So what is this? It is a simple adapter. This is also NIC, network interface card. This is also NIC, network interface card, which is used to connect your device to wireless network. Okay. Somewhere I have seen, select something. It's a good picture. This is wireless interface. Of course, the Wi-Fi, different type of Wi-Fi adapters are there. PC related Wi-Fi adapters also there. I will try to do that one. So PC motherboard. Yeah, this is a laptop inside a laptop. This is Wi-Fi adapter. If you have a knowledge to open laptop backside, if in case your Wi-Fi adapter is not working, you can replace with this one. But you need a little bit of knowledge how to connect all these things. Guys, understand what is NIC?
Yes, sir.
This is what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This type of NICs are also called as LAN cards. NIC cards. This type means the wide type of NICs, LAN cards, Ethernet cards. So Ethernet port. You can see there is a Ethernet port, RJ45 port, LAN port. All are same only, wide connectivity. In the Ethernet, so what we are looking at, that wide connectivity, this is the Ethernet. In Ethernet, there is a three type of Ethernets are there. Fast Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, and Mbps, 100 Mbps speed. Sorry. What is it? Is 1000 Mbps or 1 gigabit. Sorry, 1 Gbps. GB. Small b, we should use it. Okay. So earlier days we have Ethernet that support only data transmission is 100 Mbps. Okay. And later we got a fast Ethernet that is support data transmission is 100 Mbps. So Ethernet 10 Mbps, fast Ethernet 100 Mbps. Now we are having a gigabit Ethernet that is 1000 Mbps or 1 Gbps data transmission speed. In wireless, this different type of wireless kind of stuff. Anyway, we don't use any port. It is for a Wi-Fi connectivity purpose. Right? Wi-Fi connectivity. Here it is. Models are there. N1300 model. Okay. AC 750 model or AC 1200 model. So different models are there, and different standards also there. 802.11 A or B C G N AC, like this. Different models are there. Okay, and of course 2.4 or a 2.5 gigahertz connectivity, 5 gigahertz connectivity, like dual bands, different bands are there. The wide one, so the wide standard is means Ethernet standard 802.3. 802.3. This is IEEE 802.3. ABCD is there. And wireless is 802.11, means it is wireless. Of course, ABC is there. Okay, so based on that, the values are different. So you can also try what is their differences. You have to search. Okay, I'm not going that one. This is about your NIC. Let's understand what is the meaning of NIC and wired and wireless and their names. Next one is every NIC has, means either it is wired or wireless. NIC, network interface card, adapter. Also sometimes I use the word adapter, network adapter. Adapter or a network adapter. Also we can use that word. So every NIC has a MAC address. Every NIC has a MAC address. Okay. MAC means media access control. Media access control. NIC, every NIC has a MAC address. MAC means media access control. Manufacturer of NIC assign MAC address on NIC. Otherwise, I will rewrite. MAC address is assigned or given by manufacturer of that NIC. Okay, NIC manufacturer. For example, TP-Link, D-Link. I have my NIC is a Qualcomm manufacturer. Realtek. Okay. For example, I will show you Realtek. Most common is Realtek. Realtek NIC. Some NIC. This is Realtek NIC. Okay. So what is this Realtek NIC will do? When they manufacturing this NIC, they'll put a MAC address on it. So can you see? This is the Realtek NIC chip. This is RTL, some memories there now. So what this Realtek will do when Realtek manufacturing this NIC and the chip, they insert this NIC in NIC MAC address inside this chip only. Okay, we cannot change MAC address. We can change IP address, we cannot change MAC address. We can change IP address, can changeable, but not MAC address. Remember that one also. It is a very simple differences. Okay. So MAC address is also called as physical address or hardware address. Very important is physical address. You cannot change the MAC address. Also called as it is a universal, it is more unique address because no other device having MAC address. No other device having MAC address. Same MAC address. No other device having same MAC address. Okay, yeah, from based on mainly MAC address, how it is. MAC address is 48 bit in binary, or we can say and 48 bit in binary. It represents 12 hexadecimal number. 12 hexadecimal number. Example of MAC address is look like, for example, yeah, someone is sending. Yes, IP address can changeable. We can change IP address. We can assign our own IP address. So it is a 12 hexa. Now 6 hexa completed, and one more 2 hexa number is there now. So then we'll go A6, something like that. So it does not mean it is alphanumeric, guys. It contains both like that. Okay, so hexadecimal means so 0 to F. Okay, hexadecimal means 0 to F. If required, I will give you that information also, no problem for me. Okay, I have written somewhere that information because some people are having the doubt what is bit, what is byte, and what is kilobyte, what is megabyte, what is the hexadecimal number, what is decimal number, what is binary number, what is octal number also. If you need, I will give you that information. Okay, so this is about your MAC address. So every NIC has a MAC address. Okay, the MAC address is 48 bit represented in 12 hexadecimal numbers. So this is look like this one. Okay. Next one is how to check MAC address. So command wise in the command prompt, it is get MAC. So in a command line, so you can see get MAC. Second one is ipconfig /all. And GUI mode also you can get it. That is, you can go to run, type ncpa.cpl, simple manner. So you can see the adapter. So right click on adapter or NIC, whatever the word you use it. Right click on adapter, status. details. RT means right click. Okay, so first one I will show you get MAC. So go to command prompt. So this is the command prompt, get MAC. So this is my MAC addresses. It is showing so many addresses, guys. Why it is? Because I have a more adapters are there. Two of the adapters are my wired NIC. One is a wired NIC, another one is a wireless NIC. Okay, one is a wired NIC, another one is a wireless NIC. And another NICs are my virtual NICs. Virtual adapters also there. So that's why it is showing like that. Okay. So this is the NIC naming. Also, I will change this one. Okay, that is get MAC. So one more is there. Why it is not is yeah. Next one is ipconfig command to check IP address only ipconfig. That is the command to check IP address ipconfig. Check address. So like this, we'll put it. I will give you the output only because I have a lot of adapters. I'm getting a lot of IP addresses. Okay, lot of information out of that one. So what we need, that much we will take. They're all not required. These two are not required. Okay, because I'm in office and it is showing so many other things. This is also not required. Only main important out of that one, which will shows IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. What is the use of this one? Shows IP address, IP config is used to check IP address. Then you also will getting subnet mask, default gateway. Next command is ipconfig /all. This is also to check IP address, MAC address, and also other information. Okay. So the next command is ipconfig /all. Okay. See, it is very big list of data is there. I will show you that one. We need an output. Yeah. So this is my Wi-Fi adapter. I'm getting IP address to my Wi-Fi adapter. I connected through Wi-Fi today. Only Wi-Fi part. That's why I'm getting. Okay. Okay. So here it is. You can see this is some information which we don't require. Oh, okay. So this is my MAC address. Look at this is my MAC address. I changed my MAC address wantedly. That's it. This is IPv6 link local IP address, which is currently not required for us. We are not using anything with that one. This is also my IPv6 address. These two information also not required. Okay, this is good. No problem. This is also not required. Guys, look at this is my IP address. For us, for our convenience, I'm going to change a little bit, but point is, what is my IP address? Okay, this is IP address, subnet mask, default gateway from IP config. But IP config all will display a lot of information. Will display a lot of information, including what is your adapter name, your physical address, okay, your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway, DHCP server address, DNS server address, okay, lease obtained, lease expiry, DHCP enabled, yes or no. Okay, DHCP enabled, yes or no. Okay, so what we are getting with IP config will give you only IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. IP config all will give you IP address, subnet mask, and a default gateway, plus physical address means your MAC address, your adapter name, and your DHCP server address and DNS server address also it is showing based on this adapter. Okay, next lease uptime, lease expiry. Okay, your DHCP enabled, yes or no kind of stuff. This information you are getting with the IP config all. One more from here only, one more thing I will take it. This is my one of virtual adapter. I'm taking some information from this virtual adapter. This is important for me. This is DHCP enable no. And what is the difference between DHCP enable no? Can we pull up all these things? No. No problem. Just small difference we required. This is another adapter, guys. Look at this Ethernet adapter. My Ethernet like this. Okay, you can see this is LAN wireless LAN adapter. It is my Wi-Fi name. It is, you can see. Okay, this is my adapter. This is my MAC address. and this is my IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. But can you see DHCP enabled? No. DHCP enabled? No. And this is DHCP enabled? Yes. Okay. What is that meaning? I will write here. Guys, DHCP enabled. Yes. What happened? Yes means you got a IP address. Got IP address or IP address assigned by got IP address from or IP address assigned by both words you can use it by DHCP server. There is a server which is given you an IP address. DHCP enabled no means IP address configured manually. IP address configured manually. Okay, so it's a 1 o'clock. I didn't see. So that is the point, guys. DHCP enabled yes means you got an IP address from this DHCP server. Got IP address from this DHCP server. Got IP address from this DHCP server. Need just example information, not same information. So no problems. You can adjust both things. This is a connected part. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so these are the first how to check IP address, how to check MAC address. You got IP address from DHCP server. Or I'm going with the GUI, guys. Very simple way to open. So just click here, search, or if you know how to open run, you can open the run like this. Okay, if you don't know how to open run, like a Windows R to open the run. Otherwise, click on search, type ncpa.cpl. Direct opening network adapters. Directly opening of network adapters. ncpa.cpl. Okay, so it opens network adapters directly like this. Just in case, no, sir, I want a original path. You are telling something, internet telling something. We believe in internet. No problem. Open control panel. Go to control panel. Find out where is network and sharing center. This is network and sharing center. Sometimes icon shows like this. Then go to network and internet. But whatever it is, network and sharing center. So this is a network and sharing center. Left side, you can see change adapter settings. Okay, there it is, your adapter. So either which ways you can open. So I open ncpa.cpl because it is a directly opens this network connections window. Network connections window. This is my adapter. Double click. I'm double click, or otherwise you can do right click, status. Okay. Click on details. So you will find this information. So this is your MAC address, and remaining is IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DHCP server address, DNS server address, lease obtained, lease expiry, as it is showing. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'll take a small screenshot of it. Okay. So this is the network connections. Any which ways you are in the network connections. Adapter. So right click adapter. It will give you this one. Go to details. Then it will show this option. So this is my physical address. What is the meaning of physical address? It is your MAC address. And this is my IP address. Okay, this is my IP address. This is my default gateway. This is my DHCP server address. Okay, so this particular DHCP server gave me this IP address. I got IP address from DHCP server. These IPv6 addresses, I got it from my self-generated system only. My system only, I got these addresses. Don't worry. So these are important. So your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, plus you got DHCP server address, DNS server address, and your MAC address. And DHCP enable S means you got IP address from DHCP server. What is your DHCP server? This is your DHCP server. Okay. It is very easy to tell, guys, and difficult to remember. So practice how to remember things. Okay. So how I went to search instead of doing all this thing, ncpa.cpl. Right click on my Wi-Fi. So then go to details. I got this information. That's it. How to check IP address, how to check MAC address. Both are I told. I told about NIC. I told about how to check different type of NICs, and I told about default gateways. Okay, and the type of networks, and about a network and networking, internetworking. Usually there is a first day pending is there, that is cables are there. So the cables, different type of cables we use in the network, different devices we use in the network, different topologies we use in the network. Okay, IP addresses, OSA layers are there. Okay, so that is we will discuss in a next class. So tomorrow class will be there. I will inform you if it is not there. By 10 o'clock itself, I will inform you. If it is there, I will. If it is there or not, I will inform you tomorrow morning. Mostly it is tomorrow morning you have a class. Mostly 10:15. Okay.
So
That's it.
can there be software class today?